Hey guys, this is Ronnie with Great Choice Audio Video. And we just got this Sony 85-inch Master Series TV done over here. We just wanted to give you a show of what's going on with this particular system here. And it's a really nice, cool house. So I'm gonna flip the camera around. And this is all the equipment over here. They got a few different things going on here, running other areas of the house as well. So there's quite a bit of stuff trying to hide on shelves. That's why we always recommend trying to do racks. So with that being said, let's flip back around. You look at me here. So I'm gonna grab the universal remote and kind of show you guys the universal remote. And this is the MX990. Got a nice little color screen on it. So here, let's go ahead and flip on the TV. And take a look. It is really bright. Got the shades down though, so let's see if I can't get the camera out of the glare. But as you can see, it's really bright, crisp, clear picture. Let's see if we can't find something else a little bit more entertaining.
My name is God, and I live free state. I have everything I need.
You can see, imagine how bright it is with all the shades open and all the sun glaring through. So it's really bright, really good, crisp, clear picture for this TV. So with that being said, you guys have a great choice day, and we'll see you next time. So here guys, I found something that you can really see some colors in and the contrast and details on this TV. Big old elephant, look at that.